It's probably Christmas. I'm gonna have a good science-filled Christmas. Orange juice is always a good way to start your day. I'm also gonna make some boiled eggs, because those are also a good way to start your day. Orange juice. This is gonna take a while. Please.
Yum.
Hot water. Now I'm gonna add hot water. Go. I'm blending. It doesn't look like orange. I think it's orange. Hello?
Say, yes, I'm going to the annual science con.
Yes, I'm going to the annual science contest.
Convention.
Convention.
Now say yes.
What was that? I couldn't catch that.
Now say yes.
Oh, yeah.
Now say yes, it's outside.
Yeah, it's outside.
Now say no.
No, probably not.
Now say, just bring your binoculars.
Just bring your binoculars, dude.
Okay, see you there.
Oh no, it's raining. Don't you see the rain? Hello?
Say hello, it's canceled.
It's hello? It's canceled? No, not the convention.
Oh no, not the convention. So the convention is canceled?
So it's canceled.
Cancel the convention? Now say okay.
Okay.
Alright. Now say
Okay. Oh, that's a bummer. Alright, I love you. No, wait, I don't. Oh, it's boiling. I guess I should put my eggs in now.
Condensation on the camera lens.
Well, at least I can still make my volcano. I got the baking soda. What about the vinegar? Oh, hey, I'm calling with the vinegar I ordered. It blew up. Okay. That's kind of weird. Okay, bye. Start crying. I wanted a bag. Oh man, I spilled. I gotta go get a mop out of my closet.
I'm the ghost of science. Is it true that you wanted to have a special science Christmas?
Yeah?
And did you?
No, it got ruined.
But it was full of science.
Like what?
Here's one example. The juice before it was mixed was a solid, and after mixed it was a liquid.
That's science?
Yes, let me explain. A solid is formed when a liquid has a substantial drop in the amount of thermal energy. This point where it turns into a solid is called the freezing point. Each substance has its own freezing point. When the particles in the sample near their freezing points, they begin to slow down and form patterns. Once they become fixed in one position and in a pattern, it is a solid. Solids have a distinct volume and shape. These particles are not completely motionless though. They vibrate but stay in their positions.
Well, this is interesting.
Yes. When put in the blender moves the particles of the orange juice around. This and the combination of hot water add a lot of thermal energy to it. A solid turns into a liquid when the thermal energy added to it from outside things make the particles vibrate so fast that they break free from their fixed positions. Hey, liquids do not have specific shapes, but they do have specific volume. Liquids do not have specific shapes, but they do have specific volume. The particles in a liquid are packed almost as a solid's particles are, but can move freely around one another. Some characteristics of liquids include surface tension, which is the inward pull of molecules that act like a soft skin on the surface, and viscosity, which is the resistance to flowing for a liquid. The higher the viscosity is, the slower it flows. This old honey represents a liquid with a high viscosity, which is a heavy resistance to flowing. It's not moving, but it's still considered a liquid. Evaporization happens when the liquid gathers so much thermal energy from its surroundings that the water or the molecules at the top of the liquid get enough thermal energy and turn into a gas and break free from the liquid. Boiling occurs when the water has so much thermal energy that evaporation starts to occur above and below the surface of water. Most every substance of matter has its own boiling point. As the gas particles go up into the sky, they have no definite volume or shape. They fill whatever container you put them in. The particles of a gas are not connected in any way. As they go up, they condense in the air because of a loss of thermal energy. After the molecules of gas condense in the air, they start to fall back down as precipitation. You saw this earlier, and you called it rain. And yes, rain is precipitation. As you will see when you wake up, that liquid turned into a solid as the rain turned into ice. A liquid turns into a solid when thermal energy in the liquid is decreased. The particles in the liquid start to slow down and form regular patterns. Once the temperature of the liquid is below the substance's freezing point, then it turns into a solid. The particles of solids have regular patterns.